In 3, 2, 1, go. What the hell?
Come on, guys, what's your threat?
He wasn't even on the threat.
I split those. All I hit him with was Starfall.
Yeah,
That was
for over 9,000.
Yeah.
Let's get more up, guys. Let's stop slacking on the battle reses.
I got him.
Inferno Blade.
Logan's taking the shard.
Keep it up,
Some
melee.
blue.
Corbin, just move out when you need to. I'm here.
This is the second crystal.
Heal Horon.
Lincoln 5.
Stellar, go with Ram.
Group 1.
Don't run back in after you get that debuff.
Blade incoming. Inferno.
Douglas, I need
help.
Heal Ram. Group 3 needs help.
Keep it up, guys.
Okay.
Watch the stacks.
Ram, I got this for you.
11,
I was supposed to be
12,
going, I got it.
13.
Fan taunting. Heal fan.
This next set of crystals will be group 2.
Oh, I can't take it.
Someone cover
I'll
for
take it
Iris.
second.
Alright, thank you.
Tonic.
Move
Lincoln
out.
5.
Iris, it's on you.
Lincoln 5.
It's on Douglas.
Sit here. Just move out when you need
Ling.
to.
Ash, unholy
Blade
presence.
incoming.
Decimation, heal
Decimation.
fan.
Heal Carl, heal Carl.
Heal end.
Next one's gonna be group 3. Tonic.
Broken will take group 3 first.
Shard.
I got the first.
Guys, pick it up, pick it up.
Heal Skull.
I'm standing right underneath the boss trying to avoid it.
Are you trying to take the whole thing, Broken? No, I'm not.
Lincoln
RC
5.
come in pretty soon.
Scal, just move out. I'm here.
Lincoln 5.
Someone take
Heal
it.
Heal RC.
Link.
You gotta come to me.
Keep focus, guys. Keep focus.
Decimation.
Decimation,
heal
heal
RC.
fan. Heal fan.
Nice.
Next shard's gonna be group 1 again.
I got him.
I got tormented too.
Blue.
Guys, pick it up. Stack. Get on those crystals.
On
the far right. I'll take it first.
That guy's gonna have to help Ash.
I got it after you.
Do I need to jump in for Ash?
Yes. Or someone.
Ash, I got it.
Heal Rama.
Watch those stacks, guys.
Sam's got it.
Lincoln coming soon.
Rama.
Just realized that I'm not gonna be able to move.
It's fine.
Backstab.
This is group 2.
Someone on that ship.
Decimation, heal fan.
Carl's got it first.
I got Iris.
Heal Carl.
Keep it up, guys.
Alright, my torment is off. If you need help.
Heal Sky.
Tonic.
Heal end. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up.
Shards incoming soon.
Potions.
Alright, this is group 3.
Broken will take the shard on the far right.
Sure,
Do we
good.
have any rallies?
I got
I
it.
use my rally.
Link.
Link.
Group 2 needs help.
I'm sorry.
Blade incoming.
Someone needs to come in for Broken on the far right.
Ash
I
can get
tried
it.
taking damage.
Ash is taking it.
Heal Horon.
We need Dan up.
Get Dan up, please.
Keep it up, guys.
You
Keep it
guys.
up. Someone.
Get him up.
Got him.
Should be group 1 again.
It's on far left melee side.
RC's gonna get it. Kill
RC, do you
RC.
need help?
Yeah, I'll need
Heal
help
around
in like 3 seconds.
Lincoln
It's on
5.
the left over here.
I'll
Wait, no,
go
it's not. I'll get RC.
Heal Petit.
Heal Bartland.
Lincoln coming.
Yeah, we're taking a lot of stacks for it.
Handle that, Link. Brother.
Lady coming.
Decimation, heal Bam.
Heal Carl, heal Carl.
Careful,
Jeez,
Sam,
guys,
you don't have any
fucking
stacks.
keep it up.
Left side. Scale got it.
Nice. Yes.
Oh my god, I'm tormented!
Blah, blah,
frozen.
junk, junk, junk.
Shield.
Now
Ooh.
we can take a break. Good job,
Junk,
guys.
junk.